Good evening, students. A very good evening. Namaste to all the, you can say, dignitaries over here. I can see Arvind sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Rekha ma'am. Principal
Good
ma'am,
evening.
Shive. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. Rekha ma'am, again, thank you very much for joining us in on a short notice. आपको हमेशा हम short notice देते हैं, लेकिन आप आ जाते हैं. Thank you very much. I can't see Rima ma'am over here. I hope she would join us afterwards. Maybe she was busy somewhere, and other teachers are also going to join us. So thank you very much to all the teachers and respected, you can say, supervisors, sir. Uh, you all know today we have joined to discuss about 2020. 2020 is a word you might have used even before year 2020. 2020 से पहले भी हम लोग यूज करते थे. Maybe you were using it in during the cricket. ठीक है. 2020 we use 1920 अगर हम यूज करते हैं. अगर हमारी बात करें तो in economics we use 1920 as a year of great divide. Why? That we will study in economics. But you can say the year 2020. ठीक है. It brought a humongous change in the whole world. It is not just India. 1920 is known as the year of great divide for India, but 2020, I would say, it would be the year of great divide for the whole world. Maybe in tomorrow's textbooks we will discuss world before 2020 and world after 2020. Like we discuss world before, you can say, LPG 1991, and world after, not world but India after 1991. So maybe whatever you are facing today as COVID-19, आप जब सब लोग जो फेस कर रहे हो COVID-19, that will become the part of your textbook. हो सकता है आज से 2 साल बाद में आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में, इकोनॉमिक्स की टेक्स्ट बुक में, कि इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ कोविड यू माइट स्टडी देयर. यू कैन से not only medical field में, but throughout the world, technology, anywhere, if you see, COVID had made a lots and lots of changes has been brought. जैसे मैं आपको आज 1991 के बारे में बताती हूँ, and I say कि भाई I have lived that era of 1991. वैसे जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आप अपने छोटे भाई बहन को या फिर सिबलिंग्स को बोलोगे कि whatever you read in the textbook today, we have lived that. ठीक है. So before this change, if this COVID era ends, because as we can see, we hope that 2021 has arrived. आज 2021 में we have COVID vaccine. Please अपने सॉरी सॉरी एक बच्चे का शायद माइक्रोफोन ऑन हो गया था. सो द थिंग इज वॉट एवर दिस एरा ऑफ 2021, sorry, 2020, COVID is about to end because the vaccine has arrived. And before this era ends, let us discuss about the pros, which are humongous. The pros has been जो भी बोलते ना, effects on our economy, on our family life, everywhere it is humongous. But there is one silver line of cons as well. Okay, so we are going to discuss about pros and cons of COVID 2019. And for this process, I would like to call, there are 3 students who are going to take part. I hope uh, screen is visible to all the students. Any of you say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So today, Rajasthan Seva Samiti Sanchalit Rajasthan Hindi High School welcomes you in the academic year 2020-21, where we are going to have inter-class discussion. It was not school, my mistake. It was inter-class discussion of your COVID. You can say pros and cons of COVID. Here, the name of the participants are Bagmar Harsh. I hope Harsh is present. Harsh, are you present, Vita?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Good evening, Harsh. Harsh is going to present a very, you can say, nice poem which he has wrote himself. उसने खुद ये poem लिखी है. Second would be Jane Rhythm. Rhythm will tell us about or he will inform us about the pros of, you can, so not pros, the cons of, you can say, uh, COVID-19. And last but not the least, it would be Chopra Kashish who would bring the cons of COVID-19. So let us start with, you can say, Harsh. Yes, Harsh. Please share your.
Good morning. Good. Good evening, Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Sirs, Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Harsh sent to my class teacher, Mona Ma'am. She said me that she will send to Principal Ma'am and all my dear friends. And today she gave me chance to represent my poem. वंदन अभिनंदन करते हैं भारत के उन कोरोना योद्धाओं का। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। प्रधानमंत्री के नेतृत्व में लड़ रहा है भारत, मुख्यमंत्री के निर्देशों का पालन करता है भारत, पुलिस और जवानों का सत्कार करता है भारत, कलेक्टर स्वयं सेवक आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्ताओं को नमन करता है भारत। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। ईश्वर ने देखा, पर आज ईश्वर के रूप में डॉक्टर्स को देखा, नर्सों में आज वही सेवा भाव जगा, अपनी जान का खतरा न लेते हुए देश प्रेम हमने देखा, अपने परिवार की चिंता न करते हुए इनको देखा। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। अपनी संपत्ति का त्याग कर भामाशाह बन दिखलाए, विपत्ति के समय देश को योगदान दिया। भारत आज राणा व शिवाजी बनकर कोरोना से लड़ जीतेगा। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। कोरोना में दवाई देकर विदेशों से यश कमाए, इस महामारी में दवाई देकर मानवता का धर्म अपनाए, को वेंटिलेटर बनाकर देश का गौरव बढ़ाए। कोरोना वॉरियर्स कहलाया भारत। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। कोरोना की बढ़ती रफ्तार को भारत ने हराया है, यह देख मेरे हिंदुस्तान ने कोरोना का टीका बनाया है। यह देख विदेशी देश भारत के गुणगान करते, भारत के अनमोल रत्नों का आज हम जयगान करें। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। भारत का एक एक नागरिक योद्धा बनकर लड़ेगा, स्वच्छ स्वस्थ भारत का निर्माण कर दिखलाए। कोरोना में वैक्सीन देकर विश्व में अपना नाम कमाए, मास्क सैनिटाइजर वितरण करने वालों को नमन करता है भारत, सफाई कर्मियों को नमन करता है भारत, हिंदुस्तान के रत्नों को वंदन करते हैं। आओ करते सम्मान इनका, कोरोना मुक्त बनेगा भारत। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Very good, Harsh. It was very creative poem, and the way you presented, बोलते हैं ना, we got goosebumps. Actually, I got goosebumps. Your voice, your annotation, and everything was quite good. रेखा मैम ने भी आपको बहुत अच्छा एक compliment दिया है. She gave you compliment that very nice बेटा. उन्होंने chat box में लिखा है. You can see if you can. Okay, so thank you very much, Harsh. Now we will move on towards who is the next? Jane Ridham. Ridham, I'm going to share your presentation first. Is it visible, Ridham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us start with it.
Good morning, all of you. So first of all, I'm introducing myself. So my name is Sidham Jain. I study in 11th standard. So let me introduce my topic. My topic is a negative effect of COVID-19 in the world. Now I'm gonna to share the what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus that is a new strain of virus which comes from Wuhan, China. The first case of COVID-19 was seen in December 2019, but in India the first case of COVID-19 was seen in January 2020. But at that time, the Indians were not aware about COVID-19, and the lockdown occurred in India in March 2020. And before that, and after that, the whole world is completely locked down. So now I am going to share the causes of COVID-19 in the world. Ma'am, next slide.
Yes, it is there, beta.
Due to lockdown, the whole world have to suffer a lot, and the GDP of the mostly countries has decreased by 2.4% of the value. And and mostly countries have a loss of $6 due to economic face a huge loss. So now I'm going to
अपने पास ही रखो ये।
Ridham, please unmute yourself, beta. Rhythm, please unmute yourself. Rhythm, we are unable to hear you, beta.
Ma'am, he was left due to internet connection.
Okay, no problem. Maybe he might join us afterwards. So as there is a problem from Rhythm's side, let us move on to Kashish. Kashish, she would present about the cons of Rhythm presented about the pros of COVID, you can say. Now, Kashish Chopra from 11th B, her roll number is 12, roll number is 3, and she is also the monitor. She is going to present about the cons, pros, not sorry, cons. And as and when she complete, if Rhythm again, if she will join, so we will add him and we will know about the cons. Yes, Kashish, start with your presentation, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Hello and good evening to everyone. My name is Kashish Chopra from Standard 11th B, and here I am going to present the pros of coronavirus. So first, let me share my screen. Ma'am, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Kashish, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, COVID-19, the coronavirus disease, it is impacted and impacting our life very badly. There are no significant advantages because there is a huge loss in jobs, lives, and the economy of the country. But it is said that something good happens, always good comes after the something bad happens. So now I am going to introduce about the ways the COVID-19 has impacted our life. Ways the COVID-19 is making a positive impact. So you can see some points over here, the ways in which COVID-19 has made a positive impact on our life. The first point of mine is boost in advancement and adoption of technology. Boost in advancement and adoption of technology refers like before 2020, adoption of technology was something optional. But here you can say that I have chosen one picture of the lady working from home and a girl attending her online classes. As after the COVID-19, everything has been turned into a techno way, and everyone has to adopt the technology. Even if someone may hesitate before the to adopt the technology, is now also welcoming it. And the sale of laptops, mobiles has even increased during this lockdown as the need of the technology in everything. Without technology, everything is incomplete in our life, and we have to use the technology through mobiles, laptops, or any other media to have fit in this environment and in our new normal. So now our next point is about speedy completion of infrastructure projects. In this lockdown period, when the movement of the public was restricted to certain extent and were only allowed to go outside for their necessary work, and the roads and streets were quite clear. This helped a lot for the speedy completion of the infrastructure work. Many projects like railway tracks construction, as railway services were stopped for a long time, is able to complete its work very speedily. Many construction work like bridges, flyovers, metro work, etc., were also able to complete there and to carry out their work without disturbing the daily life or daily routine of the public due to this lockdown period. And the most familiar example that we could see is our own school, which is also able to complete its infrastructure work, or we can say our new building project, because we were not allowed or we are not able to go to the school in this lockdown period. So this helped to have a speedy infrastructure or boost in the completion of the infrastructure project. So now my next point, which is the most important point, or we can say very familiar point of health awareness. No doubt, health awareness was among the people before lockdown also, but it was somewhere limited to the particular person who were very particular about their health and hygiene. But now, COVID is all related to the three things. First is our proper diet, then immune system and hygiene, which all leads to a proper health. No doubt, we all are following it, but now no man in the world is unaware about all this hygiene, and everyone is carrying their own mask while going out and maintains distance or makes proper use of sanitizer and maintain social distance. Now everyone is very well aware about their health as it has become a habit of an individual. One second.
Kashish, just remove annotation. Just go in annotation.
Yes,
If
yes,
you can, just remove it. It was by mistake शायद. और अगर नहीं भी होता है तो कोई problem नहीं है. You may continue with it also.
No, ma'am. हाँ, ma'am.
हो
ये
गया?
बस हो ही रहा है. मैम वेट. मैम नहीं हो रहा है. Let it wait.
Let it be.
Next point is, हाँ ma'am. हाँ, next point is air is cleaner and the environment is greener.
Okay.
During this lockdown, COVID and this lockdown period has restricted the movement of the people on the roads, and vehicles are also restricted. Industries, public transports are all have been closed for the lockdown period. Due to this, the emission of the harmful greenhouse gases has been stopped to a higher level, as it is observed by the Central Pollution Control Board that in New Delhi, the pollution level has reduced to 53 AQI, that is Air Quality Index, on 31st March 2020. This is a reduction of about 70% as it was observed a previous year on the same day. So due to this fall in regular emissions as a result of the lockdown, pollution reduction is very high in all over India. Due to this, air is more cleaner and the environment is more greener. Our next point, and the very, very, very important point, is family time. Family time has lockdown has brought families more closer than ever, like family meal time and dinner table conversation, doing household chores together has been lost before somewhere. But now all this has become back, like eating more ghar ka khana, board games, playing board games, and TV serials or TV channels, we can say classic TV channels with like Ramayana, Mahabharata, which have been shown on Doordarshan, has broke all the records. But and now most of us have more time to give to our hobbies, which were missing before. We can give more time to our hobbies and reach it to next parents which are not able to go to the office, spend more time and give more time to the kids to understand them better, and kids also spend times with their parents and knows family values with the elders. The more closer we spend the time with our family, you end up better understanding with them. Family units have become closer than ever during this tough. The last, but not the least, not last, boosting localism is our last second point, which is mostly out of from the our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which gave the concept of the which means self-sufficient Bharat or self-reliant Bharat. This is all after the COVID period, as importing the goods from outside countries has been stopped, as some countries were assumed to be responsible for the spread of this virus, and it was somewhere a threat among us that if we import the outside goods, corona may infect us or virus may influence us at a higher level. So it has been stopped, the import. So this led to boosting our local products and gave the concept of the built local, buy local. And as you can see, Made in India. Made in India has developed a feeling in all the citizens to adopt the products of the India, and vocal for local. We should be vocal for our local products. We can share this among our friends, neighbors, our family members, our teachers, and to be vocal for local and to grow our local community to.
Yes, we should.
And the next last point, wildlife is rejuvenating. This is the most and very most important point in our day-to-day life, as wildlife seeing wildlife has been lost somewhere before COVID, but you may have seen the video of thousands of birds flying over riverfront area, and many migratory birds which we have not seen before, but are now returning to their homes, or we can say habitation, like. You may take example of the Venice, the city of canal, where people used to go one place to another place through steamers, because there are more marine
Yeah.
marine transportation or travel medium. So there used to more traffic in there, and marine life has been got extincted. Not we can say extinct, but we are not able to see that marine life. But now fishes are returning to their homes, and we can observe the crystal clear water, and even the local people are also enjoying the beauty of their rivers, or we can say canals. So wildlife is the most part of the life, and we are also re-enjoying it. And now corona or COVID period has given a most powerful lesson to think about it, that is corona a virus or human is a virus? Uh, is human a most powerful virus or corona is a virus? So we should think about it, that who is the most dangerous virus for the nature, corona or we itself, human beings. I would like to complete this with this. Thank you so much.
Very good, Kashish. It was a very nice presentation. Now, stop share. Just a second. आपका शेयर आपने बंद कर दिया बेटा? Yes. Okay. Very good presentation, Kashish. Now, Rhythm, we lost him somewhere because of our network issue. That is one of the cons of Rhythm. Just अपने आप को unmute करिए बेटा. Yes. We lost Rhythm because of certain, you can say, network issues. This is also one of the, you can say, disadvantages, or you can say cons of COVID. कि हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, every day we study with our online teaching is going on with the help of this Zoom, but somewhere कहीं कहीं network चला जाता है जो normal class में नहीं जाता है. So let us overcome with this cons, and I would allow Rhythm again to start with his presentation. Rhythm, I will start with the third slide if I'm not wrong. Yes or no?
Starting से
Fourth slide से शुरू करूँ Rhythm? Should I start with the fourth slide?
करो वापस.
नहीं नहीं बेटा, टाइम कम पड़ेगा. You start from cons, introduction से शुरू करो. You start from introduction, not an issue. No need to introduce. Okay, start कर. Okay, start बेटा.
Ma'am, third slide.
Third slide. Is this the one?
Ma'am, third.
Is this the one, Rhythm?
Ma'am, इसके ऊपर. Third slide, ma'am. World कौन? हाँ, yes ma'am,
ये वाली? Okay, चल. Let us start. Rhythm.
नीचे. इन लोग के नीचे वाली मैम.
It's okay, Rhythm. You may.
Thank you.
हाँ, yes, Rhythm, start.
So due to the lockdown, the whole world has suffered a lot, and the GDP of mostly countries will be decreased at 4% of the value. And due to that, the world had to face a loss of net in US dollar. Due to economic crisis, mostly companies, firms, and business have completely shut down and faced a huge amount of loss. So now I am going to introduce the negative impact of COVID-19 in India. Due to lockdown in India, India also have to face a loss of 2,000 crore per day in the starting of lockdown. In India, many business companies have faced a huge amount of loss and completely shut down. Due to this, many companies and business have decreased their employees and cut off their salaries. Due to this, 41 lakh youths have lost their job, and the unemployment rate has increased in lockdown. In Assam, the TSP loss of 1,000 crore in lockdown. Because of COVID-19 in India, the automobile industry has faced a loss of 200
Rhythm, we are unable to hear you. Can you just Rhythm, we are unable to hear you. थोड़ा आपको पहले ही लगा लेना चाहिए था, पर ओके, कोई बात नहीं. Yes.
Due to COVID-19, the worker who earn daily can't earn the money, so they were not able to fulfill their daily basic requirements. So they have to migrate to their native villages by cycling or walking. Due to this, approx 1,000 workers died due to migration in lockdown. Because of COVID-19, the schools and college were closed, so students have to learn. Ma'am, next slide.
Yes, sir. It is there. Yes, Rhythm.
Next. Students, due because of COVID-19, the schools and college were closed, so students have to learn online, and the studies were affected. And students and teachers were troubled due to online studies. And the people who don't have a smartphone, so they have to buy the smartphone for their children, and the poor students were not able to study due to this. Now in India, there are approximately 5 million COVID cases, in which 10.1 million were recovered and 1,52,000 people were dead due to COVID-19. So these are the cons of COVID-19. Thank you.
Okay. So yes, we had the pros as well as cons. As we all know that every every coin have two sides. So same is for COVID. We had pros, we had cons. But if we weigh pros and cons, the cons, matlab disadvantages are more. Why? I'm saying on basis of my own personal losses. We lost our family members due to COVID. In our school, we saw number of teachers. The teacher who is present over here, Rekha ma'am, she suffered a lot because of COVID. So whatever the world has suffered because of COVID is more as compared to whatever we have earned from this COVID. No doubts, we are more techno savvy. We are doing this meeting. You are at your place. I am at my place. Rekha ma'am is at her place. Arvind sir is at his own place, and still we are meeting. We have become techno savvy. We are making use of the new tools of, you can say, new methodology of teaching. But still, we miss our traditional method of teaching. We miss all of you in our traditional classroom. As you all know, some of the students have came for 11th standard, 12th standard. Maybe in future you may join us. So we are waiting for that. Now I would like to call Arvind sir as well as Rekha ma'am to say something about the presentation, few words to appreciate the presentation of the students. I would like to start from Arvind sir. Sir, would you like to say few words about the presentation, sir, please? Arvind sir, if you are able to hear me. Okay, Rekha ma'am. Can I get your feedback, ma'am?
Children. Good evening, children.
Good evening,
and
ma'am.
at the same time, Arvind sir, and Mona ma'am also.
Yes. Good evening,
I was
ma'am.
very,
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm really very happy.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm very happy.
And
with
I'm
the
very,
efforts Mona is making continuously.
I'm thankful to you for again joining me on very short notice. Students, I told ma'am just before half an hour कि मैम इस तरह से हम लोग मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, प्लीज जॉइन अस. अपने सारे काम, अपनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को साइड में रख के रेखा मैम ज्वाइन, अरविंद सर ज्वाइन. सो आई एम थैंकफुल टू बोथ ऑफ देम. यस मैम.
It's part of our duty.
Yes, ma'am.
These are my own children.
Yes, ma'am. Your children. They are your children.
Children to you.
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
they are.
We got it from you.
They are,
yeah.
Yes, they are. Whatever efforts they are making, they are really praiseworthy. At the same time, your efforts to encourage these children, they are also praiseworthy. The way the children have presented, whether it was
they work very hard, ma'am. They work for 7 days. Since last 7 days, I would you can say appreciate Kashish and Rhythm and Harsh, all the students. They
can be seen
continuously 7 days. They are like every day. और रिदम को तो मैंने बहुत सारे चेंजेस भी करवाए रिदम के. हर्ष को भी थोड़े से चेंजेस करवाए, बट दे नेवर सेड नो कि भाई नहीं मैम हमने कर दिया, आप ये क्या नहीं। कशिश, श्रीधम, एवरीवन दे यू कैन से दे कोऑपरेटेड, कोऑर्डिनेटेड लाइक एवरीथिंग।
No, it's good, beta. Very good effort by children, and it's really praiseworthy. When it comes to COVID, I am myself a sufferer of COVID, so I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
explain
You
it.
know it very
I
well.
can explain it in a better way because I was infected, and at the same time I was hospitalized for 6 to 7 days, and my infection reached my lungs also, and my score, that is CT scan score, was 11, and lung infection, my lungs was quite deep. My lungs
We know
got
that,
infected
ma'am. You
up to
suffered a
quite
lot,
great
you and
depth.
your family. Yes,
It's
ma'am.
my whole family.
Yes, ma'am.
That is 5 members from our family. All of us had, 4 of us were joined, 4 of us were hospitalized. Among them, my son was hospitalized for 11 days. And at the same time, I would praise, as these children said, I experienced myself all these things. Whatever the drawbacks were there, obviously it is there. But along with that positive thing, as the children said, it is there. During the COVID time period, it was a good time. We never had time to be there with each other. And if we used to sit also, it was hardly for half an hour or 1 hour we used to sit usually. But this COVID or lockdown period gave us time to know each other in a better way.
Better way. Very true.
We could see the things, the family came closer to
Yes,
each
ma'am.
other. So
Yes, ma'am. Very true.
at whatever the children said, I fully agree with it, and they presented it very
So
nicely.
we had both pros
Okay,
as
thank
well
you,
as
Vita.
con
Yes.
of, you can say,
Yes,
COVID.
yes, I agree with children.
Yes, ma'am.
I agree with children.
And Arvind sir, would you like to share your thoughts about this? Arvind sir, आप अपनी thoughts share करेंगे sir, please, if you are there. If you don't have,
बिल्कुल।
yes sir,
आप
thank you sir.
मैडम हर बार किसी न किसी एक स्टूडेंट को ऐसा सिलेक्ट करती हैं। इस बार कशिश के पास मटेरियल खूब अच्छा था, बहुत बढ़िया
अच्छा
बोली,
सर।
सभी ने अपना अपना प्रयास बहुत अच्छा किया था।
Yes sir.
लेकिन लास्ट ईयर आपने पार्लियामेंट का मुफ्त पार्लियामेंट
Project
का जो
Parliament,
प्रोग्राम
yes
किया
sir.
था
We remember
उसमें
that. Me and Rekha
शर्मा
ma'am.
एक लड़की
Rekha ma'am
थी।
was also there with me.
हाँ, वो भी पूरा प्रोग्राम रेखा मैडम ने भी वॉच किया था, मैं भी था उसमें।
Yes sir.
उसमें शर्मा एक लड़की थी, उसका बहुत बढ़िया था, सभी बहुत अच्छा बोलते थे, पर एक दो नाम याद रह जाते हैं।
Yes sir. Very
वैसे
true
इन
sir.
तीनों के प्रेजेंटेशन में ये जो कशिश थी बहुत बढ़िया बोली, और ये रिकॉर्ड करके रखिएगा।
Yes sir, it
कभी
is in
भी
record. I will
हाँ,
send you the link. I will
कई
send
बार
you the
मैनेजमेंट
link.
भी हमसे पूछता है कि
What you are
हाँ,
doing?
आप लोग कितना
Yes,
इनिशिएटिव
sir.
ले रहे हैं, बच्चे कितना पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं,
They are
तो हम उनको ये
participating
दिखा
like
सकें।
anything, sir. आप believe नहीं करेंगे, Rhythm he joined me 9 o'clock yesterday for meeting, just to practice. So both the students, Kashish, Hina, Kashish, Rhythm, and all the three, Harsh, all the students did very well. Kashish, would you like to say something? Sir ने आपको praise किया है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much to everyone. मोना मैम ने हमको बहुत encourage किया, बहुत help किया। मतलब पहले इतना अच्छा नहीं था जितना मैं अच्छा present कर पाई हूँ।
नहीं, it was
मोना
good
मैम
बेटा.
ने सब कुछ
It was good.
बहुत बढ़िया, मस्त बोलती है।
बहुत अच्छा
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir. Thank you so much.
कशिश बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा आपने, एंड एट द सेम टाइम रिदम का इफर्ट बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन
बहुत अच्छा,
शायद
उसका नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से उसका
नेटवर्क इशू के
हाँ, वो
कारण
दो बच्चों का
हाँ।
नेटवर्क इशू, हाँ, वो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था बराबर।
हाँ, नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था। वही है सर, कॉन्स की बात करें तो दिस आर द यू कैन से प्रोज है कि हम लोग घर पे बैठ के भी हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर पा रहे हैं। कॉन्स ये है कोविड का कि हम लोगों का वो जो नेटवर्क इशू बार बार में आ जाता है, बट स्टिल आई विल सेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग of this meeting. Principal ma'am and other teachers were unable to join us because of certain, again, that network issue. Ma'am का भी message आया था principal ma'am का कि उनके घर पर network issue है, that is why she was unable to join. Other teachers also they had the same issue. अभी शाम के टाइम पे network का बहुत issue होता है, but still all of you did very good job, nice efforts, claps for all of you. ये जो हमारे recording है,
Thanks to Mona
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, sir.
special thanks to Rekha
For
ma'am
giving
and
us the
Arvind sir.
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ,
स्पेशल थैंक्स टू
कुछ न
अरविंद
कुछ नया
सर
सोचती
कि
हैं।
वो नहीं
हाँ।
नहीं सर हमेशा हम लोग भी कोई भी नई प्लान लेके आते हैं। अरविंद सर हमेशा उनके फेस पे एक स्माइल रहेगा।
टॉपिक का सिलेक्शन और बच्चों का सिलेक्शन मोना मैडम का बहुत एक्सेलेंट रहता है।
नहीं सर, आप हमेशा एक स्माइल के साथ हमेशा ये बोलते थे ना, हाँ हो जाएगा। और रेखा मैम तो हमेशा बोलते ना एनकरेज करते ही रहते हैं। शी ऑलवेज कंसिडर मी एज हर चाइल्ड एंड अरविंद सर भी है, ऑल माय
रेखा मैडम के जबान पर ना शब्द है ही नहीं,
है ही नहीं।
वो
आपके जबान पे
always
रेखा
हाँ ही
मैम
कहती
के लिए
हैं।
हाँ, आप भी कभी भी कोई भी
सही,
प्रोजेक्ट लेके आओ, सर गूगल फॉर्म करें, यस कर लो सर, मैं ये करें, हाँ कर
हाँ।
लीजिए मैम, कभी आप मना नहीं सकते। So thank you very much sir for giving us this opportunity. I hope this gave a message to all the students जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पर present है। Next time जैसे अरविंद सर now अगर जब भी कशिश स्कूल में आएगी, जब भी रिदम आएंगे, और आप खाली ये बोलना कि मैं सर हमने प्रोज एंड कॉन्स में
हाँ, ये
पार्ट लिया
तीनों
था,
को हाँ एक बार
आप
मिलवाइएगा
याद
जब भी
रखेंगे,
स्कूल आते हैं।
आप याद रहेंगे। तो
हाँ जी।
सेम आई एम सेइंग टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रेजेंट हियर, अभिजीत, दिया, शिवान, भंडारी, रोल नंबर 11th A का रोल नंबर 3 की नेक्स्ट जो भी टॉपिक होगा, be the part of that topic so that you can
Yes.
make your own identity out of 150 students. हमारे स्कूल में 150 students है। And one more thing, thank you to students for you can say sending congratulations message of 150 viewers and 15,000 views. I got 150 viewers on my YouTube channel and 15,000 views जो मुझे पता ही नहीं था, बच्चों ने बताया। Thank you very much who is there present here. Thank you for that also. आप लोगों की वजह से ही, अरे we have Neeraj sir here. Neeraj sir, are you there? I'm sorry, I didn't see you. Sir, how do you like? Did you like the presentation?
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, I was not able to join you.
Sir, yes,
Actually,
no
I
problem.
joined you in the beginning, but I had to attend
Yes,
some
we all
calls
know,
and
sir, network issues,
and
we all know.
in the end,
No problem,
yeah, and
sir.
I had to attend the call, so it just went on for a longer
Sir,
time.
sir,
But I was able
let
to
me stop you,
hear
sir,
rhythm.
sir. Less than 1 minute is left. So, like I'm saying कि अभी ये meeting कभी भी